Hi, my name is Himanshu and I am from Purnima College of Engineering. I have completed in 2023 and here I have been taking training from Spiders and here the faculties are very nice and they have a highly trained and they are very experienced and they have also given many interactive sessions on which we can be able to improve our skills as technical skills as well as communication skills. And I have placed in the company as a Python developer. I have learned Python by Deepak sir. He's really a very nice trainer and he supported me a lot and all the he trained me about all the interviews and he's really a nice man. And after that, I have learned SQL from Akash sir, and he's also a good person and he supported personally and wherever I was getting any doubts and anything.